Ulam for tonight. Chicken curry. Yan, chicken curry guys. Ulam for tonight.
What?
Ulam for tonight. Ulam ni Jimboy for tonight. Chicken curry.
Hello.
Yeah. Say hi to them.
Hi. Did you see my YouTube channel? Did you see?
Ayan guys. Did you see the YouTube channel of Jimboy?
You need to text the Charlie season and you can see
Search. You said search.
answers are
Our YouTube channel is Charlene Season.
yeah.
Ayan. Ipopost ko to sa...
Did you see?
We,
Did you see?
we will post this one to our YouTube channel, okay?
Did you see the Choi niya?
What?
Choi.
Choi?
Yeah.
That is in the Facebook.
Why? Wala pa ka na YouTube.
I forgot to put in the YouTube.
The YouTube's only one video.
Yeah, we need to put more. Yeah. Guys, check nyo yung aming YouTube channel. What is the name of our YouTube channel?
Charlie season.
Charlene Season. Tell them.
Charlie season.
Please like and subscribe. Sabi mo rin na.
Subscribe,
And share.
share,
Yan.
and follow.
And follow daw guys. Yan. Ang ulam natin ngayon for tonight is chicken curry. Yan, nagluto ko ng curry pa medyo pakukanin natin siya palalaputin ng konti. Pero masarap tong sabaw niya. Kahit hindi na siguro pa. Ayun. Perfect. Hindi na lang puro adobong manok, puro adobong baboy, tinulang manok at nilagang baboy. Kaya napaisip si Mrs. kung anong pwedeng gawin sa manok. Sabi, i-try mo yung chicken curry. Chicken curry. Ayan. Ayan guys. Medyo malalaki ang hiwa. Ayan. Actually, pinapalambot ko na lang itong kwan. Ginisa ko na rin itong kanina. Itong kasama si patatas at saka kwan. Carrots. Bago ko nilagay rito. Pero palalambutin pa natin guys. At saka siyempre yung karne. Kasi medyo makapal yung hiwa ko. Malalaki. So matagal-tagalin pa natin ng konti. After nyan after 10 minutes siguro pwede na to patayin ng apoy. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys sa mga video namin ni si Jimboy nakasama laging sa aking vlog. Ayan. Thank you sa inyong panonood at pag-share sa aming video, munting video at sa pagla-like. Ayan. Thank you. Happy Tuesday sa inyong lahat. Good evening. Ayan. Sign out. Bye-bye.